Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have linear chain molecule with many alkene. One is terminal, one is conjugated, one is isolated with multi-substitution. We are reacting with ozone and phosphine. Next step we are using chromic acid. You have to guess what will be the final product. The answer is simple Voss analysis. You should know here step by step. First of the reaction you are doing Voss analysis. Voss analysis always attack the highly rich carbon. Here methyl or electron donating group. So more methyl group, more will be the Voss analysis. So you have ozone formation on the double bond which is highlighted. Then you have carbonyl aldehyde formation. Next you are using ozone on phosphine again. Finally you have ketone and aldehyde. So system with 3 carbonyl group. You are reacting chromic acid. Chromic acid is a very strong acid. It breaks everything after the carbonyl. So finally you have succinic acid. The concept you have to learn here is Voss analysis always happen at the electron rich bond. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.